A1A. This is the most sought after sign in the United States. More people steal this sign than any other street sign in the country. This is called the First Coast Highway between Jacksonville and St. Augustine. But why is it called that? A1A has a very long history. This is Pedro Mendez. And way back in September of 1565, Pedro marched in a hurricane from St. Augustine to Jacksonville. He cut through this stuff right here. Those are palmettos. During a hurricane, 30 miles in full armor, he cut a trail through this. Some people say his path was on the other side of the waterway, which would be US 1. We think this was his path, is what is now A1A. Pedro's task was to march to Fort Caroline and eradicate all of the non-Catholic people, and he did that. He slaughtered them all. But the trail he cut very well could be A1A today. If you ever get a chance to visit the nation's oldest city, make the drive on A1A and take a look at the history of this area. This is the St. Augustine Lighthouse, and I was flying the drone and it was a little too close for some people. You just have to see this clip. I left it in here for you to take a look. There's always one person, there's always one that just doesn't smile. I was actually very far away from that lighthouse. That was zoomed in 4 times, but it was a cool little clip, so we left it in there. But take a look at the area here from the view of the lighthouse. This is really gorgeous. If you climb up to the top, this is what you can see. All of Matanzas Bay. St. Augustine today is much different than 1565, of course. Beautiful beaches. Some places on A1A, as you drive north, you can see how secluded it is. You pretty much have the beach all to yourself. Beautiful ocean views. Water is warm. But can you imagine Pedro Mendez cutting through this overgrown jungle all the way to Jacksonville in a hurricane? And you can see the evidence of many hurricanes. These are mangroves, and you can see where the wind has just blown these things to the west. Beautiful, beautiful area. If you get the chance, I urge you to come and take a look and drive from St. Augustine to Jacksonville.